Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a photo collage on Instagram. So if you want to make photo collage on Instagram where you combine multiple photos together at the same time before you post them on your Instagram page, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a photo collage on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus icon, either on the Instagram home or on your Instagram profile page. So just go ahead, click on the plus icon. Now you want to go ahead and select Instagram story. Now once you selected Instagram story, locate and click on layout. If the layout is not fixable, click on this pointed arrow, then click on layout. Once you selected layout, then you should see change grid, and you should see how the layout is going to be. If you want to change the grid, click on change grid, and then choose the grid you want to use. That is, choose the collage you want to use. So if you want just to collage, select it. If you want 6, select it. And if you want multiple collage like 4, select, and you're going to have it like this. Now go ahead, take the first photo. It's going to fill up the collage or the space, the second photo, third photo, and then the fourth photo. Or click on the photo button at the bottom left. Go ahead and select your photos. So go ahead, select your photos. Then once you selected one photo, the second page is going to activate it automatically. Then select again, and then again. So just scroll down, and then again. So you should have the collage just like this. Mark here, you cannot adjust the collage, so you want to make sure the photo is well positioned. Otherwise, you'll not be able to adjust the collage. Now, once you're done, click on the check button. But if you want to remove any of this photo, all you need to do is click on the photo you want to remove and click on the trash icon on it. So once you click on the trash icon, that's going to remove the photo, and then you'll be prompted to select one more photo to fill up the space. So just go ahead again, find the photo you want to select, and then click on the check mark. Then you should see the collage like this. So you can just go ahead, click on the send button, or add emojis, music, or share it on your story. To share it on your story, just go ahead and click on your story. Then it's going to be shared on your Instagram story. So if you click on the Instagram story, then you should see the photo collage uploading. You see that? And you can also set the photo collage as your highlight. Click on highlight, click on the new button, then add something to it. So I can just say family. Then go ahead and click on add. Then you should see added to family. Then if you go to your profile, you should see the photo collage added to your highlight, and then you're good. So that is basically how to make a photo collage on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.